To track competitor domains in Semrush, start by creating an account and logging into the platform. Once logged in, navigate to the Competitor Analysis section by clicking on the Competitor Analysis tab. In this section, you can add the domains of your competitors to track their online performance. First, identify your main competitors by researching your industry and finding the top-ranking websites. For your target keywords, make a list of these competitor domains to track in Semrush. Next, click on the Add Competitor button and enter the domain of your first competitor. Repeat this process for each competitor domain you want to track. As you add competitor domains, Semrush will start collecting data on their online performance, including their search engine rankings, website traffic, and backlinks. To view the data collected by Semrush, click on the competitor domain you want to analyze. This will take you to a dashboard that provides an overview of the competitor's online performance. Here, you can see their search engine rankings, website traffic, and backlinks, as well as other key metrics such as their content and social media performance. Use the filters and sorting options to customize the data and focus on the metrics that are most important to your business. For example, you can filter the data by keyword to see how your competitor is ranking for specific terms, or sort the data by traffic to see which pages on their website are driving the most traffic. To get the most out of competitor tracking in Semrush, make sure to regularly review the data and look for trends and insights that can inform your own digital marketing strategy. This can include identifying gaps in the market, finding new opportunities for growth, and optimizing your website and content to better compete with your rivals. By following these steps and using Semrush to track your competitor domains, you can gain a deeper understanding of your competitors' online performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your own digital marketing strategy.